To fix the yellow mark on Big Cartel PayPal payment method, follow this step-by-step guide. The yellow mark typically indicates a problem with your PayPal account connection, and resolving it is crucial to ensure seamless transactions. First, log into your Big Cartel admin dashboard and navigate to the payment settings. Click on the PayPal payment method to access its settings. Check if your PayPal email address is correctly entered and matches the one associated with your PayPal account. Next, ensure that your PayPal account is verified. An unverified account can cause connection issues, leading to the yellow mark. To verify your account, log into your PayPal account and follow the verification process. This may involve confirming your email address, adding a bank account or credit card, and completing other security checks. Another common cause of the yellow mark is an outdated or incorrect API signature. To update your API signature, log into your PayPal account and go to the API Access section. Generate a new API signature and copy the provided code. Then, return to your Big Cartel admin dashboard and update the PayPal payment method with the new API signature. If the issue persists, check your PayPal account for any pending or unresolved issues, such as pending payments or account limitations. Resolve these issues and try reconnecting your PayPal account to Big Cartel. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Big Cartel support or PayPal customer service for assistance. They can help you identify and resolve the problem, ensuring that your PayPal payment method is working correctly and the yellow mark is removed. By following these steps, you can quickly troubleshoot and fix the yellow mark on your Big Cartel PayPal payment method, ensuring that your online store can process transactions smoothly and efficiently. Regularly checking your payment settings and maintaining a verified PayPal account can help prevent similar issues in the future.